Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update Discord on iPhone. So if you have the Discord application on your iPhone, and now the Discord app is outdated, now you want to update it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to update Discord on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store, then confirm your Face ID. Once you confirm your Face ID, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right. And now here, you want to search for Discord. So go ahead and search for Discord. Click on it. Hang on for the search result. Then open Discord. Now, if there is an update available, you should say update. Now to update the Discord app on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on update. In some cases, you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID, type in your Apple account password, or double tap the side button before you can update the Discord application or any application on your iPhone. And I just need to hang on. If you come back here and search for the Discord application on your phone, then you discover that the Discord application will be highlighted and it will be striked out. So at this point, you cannot open the Discord application because the Discord application update is downloading or installing. So you just need to hang on for a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on the strength of your internet connection. And once the update is completed, then you should see the Discord application set to open. Then you can now go ahead and open the Discord app. So that is basically how to update Discord on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.